What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Working Class Fishing. First of all, if you're new to this channel and you just found this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fishing content. We do podcasts and we do fishing content. We do all kinds of different stuff. So make sure you're subscribed so you get the latest notifications. Today, we're up here in the mountains. We're going to play around with a fly rod and some spinners. So make sure you... There's a bite. Oh, had a fish hitting it on the sink. Let's see if he comes back. So I watch my line move. So I'm just going to let it sink. Got him. Oh, pig. That's a big trout. That's a big trout. That's a big ass trout. Oh, that's a swab. That's a swab. Oh my God. That's a swab. That's a slob unit. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Morris Fly Co. Alright, let's get a picture. Alright, unhooked, ready to go. See you later, dude. Wow, what a unit. What a unit. Okay, so John tied these flies up. This is an olive woolly bugger, and it just produced an absolute unit of a trout here on the 4-weight. This is the Maxxon Stonefly 4-weight, and you can see it's got plenty of power to handle this fish. So definitely gonna be a bugger day. I can. Oh God, what do I got? What do I got? I got a lake troll. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh, look at the beautiful, beautiful rainbow. And I think I got him in the eye. Dude, unless he's on the maxillary. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. Beautiful rainbow. I got to get him unhooked here, so. Beautiful, beautiful fish. lift up on my rod tip, see if running my spinner higher in the water column. I've done that salmon fishing actually, lifting up and running higher in the water column instead of so deep, and I ended up hooking a salmon that way. It's kind of weird. Oh, there he is. There he is. He came out of nowhere and he blew up on the rooster tail. All right, dude. Yeah, he blew up. He's not a big trout. Okay, he unhooked himself. Cool. Right on. Yeah, he literally flew off the bottom right in front of me and took it. So, see you later, dude. I'll deal with this. Sweet. Yeah, just as I was telling you guys about lifting up on your rod tip, just to, maybe. Well, that's going to do it for today. We had a pretty good day overall. We got a couple fish on the fly rod, got one on the spinner. Had one get a really weird hookup on the fly rod, which is not typical, but it can happen. Unfortunately, broke off right when I was going to net him. So he's gone, but there's not much you can do. When you're fishing with fly rods and you're fishing with light tippets, sometimes that happens. The fish will break off and there's not much you can do about it. You just try your best to make sure that your tippet's in good shape and that everything else works out good. There could have been some abrasion in there from the fight, or maybe from a previous fish that I was fighting in also. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell for notifications, like this video, share everything.